This is day 6 of trying to win 200,000 pesos from Go Bananas. So first scratch, 10,000, 1,000, another 10,000 pesos. So kailangan na lang natin makakuha ng isa pa to win the 10,000 pesos. 500, 5,000, 20 pesos, 50 pesos, 2 chances, 1,000 pesos. So we can win 1,000 and 10,000. Oh, 2,000 pesos. No, 200,000 pesos. Bonuses.